Hi guys, and welcome to your first video that you're going to be doing for today's trivia. You are going to listen to 10 show tune themes, and the group that gets the most correct will win this first round. But it is important that you know that the Microsoft form is timed, so if there's a tiebreaker that comes with it, that is going to be the factor that goes. So, little grunt right there, because my buddy, Pirate, can I see him there? Just kind of hanging out. Pirate has SARD, so he's blind. He can't see anything, but he's going to get to listen to the show tunes with you. Recommend that you watch the videos first and do the best that you can as a group. All show tunes are from different decades, so that you're not having to stare at me. I'm going to put this little junk mail here, unless you're wanting to remodel your bathrooms. And I will play these show tunes. So here we go. Show tune number 1.
Godiva was a freedom rider. She didn't care if the whole world looked. Joan of Arc with the Lord to guide her. She was a sister who really could.
Okay, that was show tune number 1. Show tune number 2. That was number 2. Show tune number 3. Very nice. Okay. Your next show tune, number 4. Very good. Show tune number 5. Okay, that was show tune number 5. Show tune number 6.
It's a rare condition this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper page.
Okay. Show tune number 7. Okay, show tune number 8. Okay, that was show tune number 8. Show tune number 9. Okay, that was your number 9. Your final show tune number 10.
Just a good old boy He's all you never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born.
And that was your last show tune there. So, departments, go ahead and get your 10 answers to be filled out on the forms and look for the next upcoming trivia piece. Thanks, guys.